Hi, this is Mark at Ding Dong's Garden. This is white pearl currant. White currants are in the same family as red currants, but since they lack a lot of color, they're translucent, and that being translucent makes it look like it's white. Here, you can kind of see through each of these little berries, and you can see the seeds inside of them. Our plant here is quite prolific. The branches are bending down, and if you pull back the leaves, you can see more and more berries. So white pearl is a winner for us. And as is the case for all currants, the darker the currant, the tartar the taste. So for example, a white currant like this, you could eat it fresh, and you could also include it in things like pies or jams. But for the darker currants, if you're not into a very super strong taste, you're not going to enjoy eating most of the black currant. Black currants are stronger too. There's some that are mild, but unless you kind of grew up with them and really enjoy the taste, you may not want to eat those fresh. But for these, you can certainly eat them fresh. Still tart, but edible for sure. Currants are generally easy to propagate with dormant cuttings. They don't require as much hand holding or humidity control or anything like that, like some other cuttings do. This is white pearl currant, good for fresh eating, and you can include it in anything you cook as well.